Let's discuss the benefits of content for your audience. You don't want to be creating content if it feels like you're wasting your time. There has to be a goal, there has to be a result, and there has to be a reward. But first, let's look at the benefits for your audience. Your audience has got diverse preferences. Some people want long-form blog posts. Some people want scrollable 15-second videos. What you want to do is create content that benefits them. Your job as a content creator is to create content that appeals and satisfies the diverse needs of your audience's preferences. This leads on to the benefit of consumption. People consume content differently during the course of the day. Sometimes we don't have time to read a long blog post or watch and explain a video. But when we got home and more time is available to us, we'd watch it later. But during the day, a 15-second scrollable video is what is going to get your message across. Maybe I don't have time to read a blog post, but while I'm stuck in traffic, I could listen to a podcast. And then let's also talk about accessibility. Different people have got different ways of consuming and learning information. Videos can be helpful for visual learners, while text content would make it more accessible to people with hearing impairments. Also, on the topic of accessibility, sometimes we need to read information, sometimes we need to see it demonstrated, sometimes we like to hear it explained to us. And then let's not also forget that some people are visually impaired or they've got hearing impairments. They are still part of your audience. They would appreciate content that they can consume that is convenient for them. And let's not forget the importance of variety. We all get bored. Sometimes you don't want to read, sometimes you don't want to listen, sometimes you just want to see an explanatory video. Your job as a content creator is to create as many diverse forms of content that appeal to your chosen audience. And also, I find having a mixture of content keeps everything fresh. And one of my favorite benefits of creating different forms of content for your audience is reiteration. When you put out a blog post, people might read it, but they forget very quickly. But if they're following you on social media, you're reiterating that information. If they're following you on multiple social media platforms, for example, they might see a video, they might see a photograph. It reiterates the information. You could also say, even if it's not reiterating the information, it is reiterating your brand.